Hello, ma'am. My name is Dhaval Pandav. I am from collegejournal.com. A very warm welcome to our interview series, which is called Thoughts on Education, where we interview with the various dignitaries such as owners, VCs, principals, HODs, and teachers. Before I proceed with this interview, I would request you to give brief introduction about yourself, ma'am.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. I am Dr. Sonali Naik. I am working here as an associate professor in MET Institute of Pharmacy degree. I have been working here for last 20 years.
It was really nice knowing about you and your experience, ma'am. So my first question is, you have held key position at Education Institute throughout your professor career. So what keeps you connected with the education sector, and how has been your experience so far with this institute?
I am a daughter of teachers, so as such, teaching runs in my genes. So that's why I chose to be this profession. Teaching is a very noble profession, as well as imparting knowledge to the students gives us the greatest happiness. We are always surrounded by youth and young creative minds, and that keeps us going and feel young. We feel young.
Do you have any extracurriculum activity or program to enhance the skills of students?
Yes, definitely. We have lots of co-curricular and extracurricular activities which we hold during the entire academic year. Like we hold lot of symposiums, seminars from the industry experts. Similarly, our students do go to other colleges for some intercollegiate competitions like poster presentation, the presentation of the research work, and very proudly I am telling you that they have also won the accolades and the awards in different competitions.
How do you try to bring practical approach toward the subjects and make it industry oriented?
Yeah, this is the prime responsibility of us, that to make the students industry ready. That's why on regular basis we arrange the talks for the students by industry experts. They interact with the students. We also organize the talk from the soft skill development experts. So they train the students how to face the interviews. So they are all set ready to go to give the interviews and join the industry.
What are the interventions and approaches you bring apart from the curriculum to train students?
We give them example from day-to-day life, as well as we also cite the examples which are related to industries. Means if the particular drug is banned, then what happened in the clinical trial? What are the issues? What are the losses and profits the industry gain or face by withdrawing this drug? We also give them the real idea about the drug market.
Any suggestion you would like to give to the current youth and aspiring students?
Yes, definitely. The students are the future of India. We are proud that we help to shape the future of India. So the students have to be the responsible citizens, as well as they have to inculcate the values that they are responsible towards the citizens, as well as the social awareness has to be built in them. So I would like to tell the students it's not only about being knowledgeable, but you have to be the good human being, because we are in healthcare industry.
It was pleasure talking to you and interviewing thoughts on education, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.